Are you looking for the best medicine cabinets in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best medicine cabinets. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the sdiy LED Lighted Bathroom Medicine Cabinet. sdiy Medicine Cabinet, combined bathroom storage cabinet with LED makeup mirror. Definitely a must-have choice to make your room more brighter and spacious. Composed of LED light bar, prime quality hinges, rust-proof aluminum frame and makeup mirror to ensure a long-lasting lifetime. 2-in-1 storage cabinet of elegant style brings amazing using experience. Perfect for your bathroom, kitchen and living room. sdiy has its own factory and professional service team. We are always committed to provide more functional home furniture for our customers. Moving on at number 4. We have the signature hardware Wulan Teak Medicine Cabinet. The Wulan Teak Medicine Cabinet is designed to be installed over a double vanity, and its oversized form is a whopping 55.25 inches wide. The cabinet is crafted from solid teak, ideal for bathrooms, and it has 2 mirrors, both of which are 21.875 by 24 inches and mounted on a convenient sliding door. This modern medicine cabinet is available in several finishes, including natural wood and whitewash, and it's 27.5 inches tall and just under 6 inches in depth. Inside the cabinet, you'll find 2 long shelves where you can stash essentials, but unfortunately, they're not adjustable. At number 3, we have the DECADOM LED Mirror Medicine Cabinet. The DECADOM Medicine Cabinet comes with internal light strips on the sides that emit an adjustable mix of cool, neutral, or warm tone light for selecting the lighting that best suits the user's complexion. The lighting is also dimmable. The medicine cabinet features a defogger that keeps the mirror clear even after a steamy shower, and the entire cabinet mounts to the surface of the wall. The cabinet measures 24 inches wide by 30 inches high and is 5 inches deep. This high-end model also comes with an integrated clock, making it easy to know how much time is left to get ready. An electrical outlet behind the cabinet, or nearby, is necessary to use all electronic functions. At number 2, we have the Tangkula Bathroom Cabinet with double mirror doors. The open shelf at the bottom of the Tangkula Double Mirror Medicine Cabinet is just the ticket for holding items that look good enough to display, such as folded washcloths or ornamental soaps. The Tangkula is a wall mount model that features 2 additional height-adjustable shelves behind double doors. This medicine cabinet can be installed above a sink or a toilet or elsewhere in the room when extra storage space is necessary. Its simple straight lines complement most bathroom styles, and it features waterproof paint that makes it easy to wipe clean. And finally at number 1, we have the Kohler Frameless Aluminum Bathroom Medicine Cabinet. The Kohler Recessed Medicine Cabinet boasts sleek anodized aluminum construction for a timeless finish. The frameless mirrored door is reversible and installs on either the right or the left side. The Kohler cabinet features additional mirrors on the inside of the door and behind the shelving on the cabinet wall's back. The medicine cabinet recesses between standard wall studs and measures, with the mirrored door, 20 inches wide, 26 inches high, and 3.6 inches deep. It also comes with 2 adjustable interior shelves made of glass. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.